CELUM is made to manage multimedia product content at scale. It is your all-in-one solution for product media asset management and product content availability, content collaboration, content templates, portals, and analytics. Data is at the heart of managing product media assets. CELUM provides you complete freedom in working with and structuring metadata. CELUM can use data from your ERP or PIM software, and you can automate the maintenance of data through workflows. Let's start with compound objects and a quick example: a tool manufacturer launching a new cordless drill. The right metadata fields and asset types are already set up, and a basic product tree is in place. Now let us prepare the go-to-market for the Drill Mark II. That's where compound objects come into play. Compound objects help you to ensure perfect product launches and regulatory compliance by tracking needed and missing content. So, let's check out the compound information menu. In the menu, we select our preferred compound type, which comes with a predefined set of elements. We can choose now which one should be mandatory. The default selection, which consists of a hero shot, a side shot, and a product manual, is fine. Now we can upload content by simply drag and dropping it into the collection. After the upload, we assign the asset type and start editing metadata information. CELUM can process any pre-existing metadata, such as the copyright owner of an image. The structure and fields can be completely customized to your specific use case. All edits can also be done in bulk with any number of files. Here, we can also define the asset as our side shot. Especially in bigger projects, you might want to know which assets are still missing. Clicking on Add Missing Elements creates placeholders. These placeholders offer you a great oversight. As soon as the team created the missing assets, we can update the placeholder, and our collection will turn from orange to green. Creative content collaboration. CELUM offers an easy-to-use system for visual review and approval of product content. Use content templates and allow people to make their own minor adjustments based on your design standards. Finally, let's talk about CELUM portals and analytics, which enable you to create personalized front-ends for your target audiences. Easily support any use case, brand guidelines, sales and partner portals, or press portals embedded in any website. Share content publicly or require credentials. In our CELUM portals, you can define design standards to ensure that each new portal is always consistent with your brand. CELUM portals have an intuitive page builder that is also highly customizable. Mix and match widgets according to your needs and add filters with a few clicks. Analyze your content with CELUM Insights and learn what content gets the most attention from users. This is product content management by CELUM in a nutshell. Book a demo now and discover what CELUM can do for you.